That girl, they love people things. Yeah, that girl.
Sleep with your friend, man, that's wrong. I'm gonna say a prayer for you. It may be your only reason to change character, though. Welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It's your host with the most, watch for the one. So here we are to do a pen and paper review. I always say pen and paper review, you know. That means I will listen to the song, we write out every single word to the song, and in the comment section, if we make some mistakes, the audience can tell us that we made a mistake. I know that him say SouFlo, something else him say, and this him say, oh, that's how we pre the song, but the song have to be big in order for us to do pen and paper the song. You understand? Stay tuned to SouFLoTV for the pen and paper series. I can tell you right now that this is dancehall, but there is no cursing or anything going on in here, so you can surely relate. Plus, no fun to sleep with a friend man already, so you can
sleep with your friend man, that wrong.
Anyhow, Vybz Kartel dropped a thing called Red Eye. Not only the song, but the video as well we are going to discuss. Go through the lyrics and talk about the concept and how it relates to reality then. Alright, here we go. So, let me come closer to the camera and really talk to him. So, Kartel said, sleep with your friend, man, that's wrong. I need to read it, I don't need to sing it, right? Right, okay. Sleep with your friend, man, that's wrong. Gyal, where you come from. Don't tell her you're sorry, sorry, sorry. Sleep with your friend, man, that's wrong. That's my favorite part of the song. Sleep with your friend, man, that's wrong. Gyal, where you come from. I'm gonna say a prayer for you. It may be your only reason to change. Character don't lie. The bottom of the shoes. Some girl where borrow your clothes or try borrow your man. She don't have nothing to lose. She don't live nowhere. When she take the man, where she bring him go?
When she bring him go back road.
Back road. What a girl cool. Oh my God. What a bag of chat for you. So in the video you will see this girl, she has a man, right? And she had, even from the first day she and the man met, or the first date, she brought her friend along. This is one of them tag-along friend there. What the video concept is saying is this. You're so close with some of your female friends that you would tell yourself that, ooh, Keisha? No man, never. Me and Keisha grew up together, you know, I say from where baby, man come and man go, but friendship remain and all these things. And I always tell women this, anytime you have your relationship on lock, that means that you have one of them man there where him no need no training, him come trained. Yeah, him come to you trained already. Him no need no training. Don't know if somebody else gonna work already or what, but he knows when to send flowers. He knows how to cater to your feelings. Baby, alright? Oh, you mad for? Come here, man. And them kind of thing there. He knows how to be a good man to you. Him not make you go through no struggles by yourself. I'm telling you that you have friends around you who eye the relationship, and sometimes they fantasize about, me want in a fair position because me a struggle and a bata and me can't find a man for myself. That kind of thing. You know what I'm saying?
That girl, they love people things. Yeah, that girl.
And a lot of the times it is true. So in the concept of this video that Kartel put out, this is what we see going on. The girl, she'll look on her man like she want him. And she's ignoring it like, nah, that's my home girl. That ain't nothing gonna happen like that. We good. You know what I'm saying? There's a trick concept in this video though that I just love, but it don't come till the end of the video. No, I am not spoiling the video because it's been out for a couple of days now, and anybody who's interested in Vybz Kartel music already went and saw it. And for those of you who haven't seen it yet, here's a good time to go look at it and see exactly what SouFLoTV was saying to you. So, sleep with your friend, man, that's wrong. Well, you should know that's wrong. Anyway, sleep with your brethren wife is wrong, or your brethren girlfriend or woman is wrong as well, for the man them out there. But it's a thing that is so common within our culture, it's a shame. Bottom of the shoes, like, that's self-explanatory. If somebody calling you the bottom of the shoes, walk on, You germs, dirt. Yeah. Same girl where I borrow your clothes, I try borrow your man. You have a friend that is so dependent on you. You know they've sent in letters to SouFLoTV before. SouFlo, I let her stay in my house. I feed her. She lose her job. She never have nowhere to live. Her man put her out. Blah, blah, blah. And next thing I know, I get her back on her feet and everything. And the girl sleep with my husband. Bottom of the shoes. Some girl where I borrow your clothes, I try borrow your man. That means your close friend who you would do anything for, even lend her your own clothes to wear, is trying to sleep with your man. Right? She don't have nothing to lose. And this part tripped me out. Cartel said, when she take the man, where she bring him go? Back road. You know? Yo, this speaks to two persons. It speaks to the woman. First of all, you that are so busy I try to sleep with your friend, man. And where you doing it? In some car road or some corner. You know what I'm saying? You don't even have a decent place for yourself. Your focus, your priorities are wrong. You understand? Instead of your friend, man, get an apartment for yourself. Get a one room somewhere. Get a house. Get something somewhere to rest your head. That means when you bring in man, you might bring in a man who say, what? She have one room, well me and her put together can buy a 2 room and that kind of thing, right? Carry the man go a back road. And this says a lot for a lot of the men too. Sometimes you have some woman, progressive, productive. You know what I mean? I say she come together with your thing and make your thing so big and bold. All the brethren them I say, yo, I like it, you know, dog. Or the house nice, you know. And them thing they don't have fencing, yard, backyard, and 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, blah blah. No, go on, good man, nice car garage, and all these things. And the girl where you are gonna cheat on this hard-working, well-committed woman with no is a girl who not even have a 1 room where she can say, come in, come in. Is in a car somewhere we around some dark corner, you have to go. That so he said, what a bag of chat for you. I wasn't sure if it's what a bag of chat for you was said there. Please tell me if I was wrong. The man said, that Gyal love people things. Ready eye Gyal, ready eye Gyal.
Red eye Gyal.
Ready eye Gyal, ready eye Gyal. It says ready eye Gyal 6 times. And enough of the boy out there, ready eye boy too. When I see people, woman I want them. When I see people car I want it. When I see people lifestyle I want living it. When I see people success I want it. All the struggles that come with these people getting what they have and keeping what they have, maintaining what they have, you're not willing to do a fraction of it. You're just ready eye. You see I want come take even the people, man. Verse 2 says, I'm going to say a prayer for you. You need counseling. Every ounce of it. Leave people things. Don't be proud of it. You're a counterfeit. So you have some females out there. Oh, me take our man. What she gonna do? Or me take with Gyal man. That's a big part of our culture. Them beat up them chest and talk about oh them take with Gyal man. Right? What validation is in that for you? The real validation, this is where the real badge of honor comes from. The real badge of honor comes from you finding your own man or discovering your own man or your own man find you and to be able to keep your own man. To be able to build something progressive and productive with your own man. That is it. Not going around taking people man. No, you're not real. You're a counterfeit. You understand? Plus, counterfeit in other words then meaning you're fake. A fake friend. Don't sleep with your friend man. If you're sleeping with your friend man, you're not a real friend. Bottom line, because the name of the song is Red Eye Girl and he says it multiple times. Sleep with your friend man, that's wrong. I'm gonna say a prayer for you. Miserable bitch. But I would never wish. Get your own a man, get your own a man, baby. Get your own a man, get your own a man. Understand yourself, understand yourself. Understand yourself, understand yourself. The girl, they love people things. Red eye girl, red eye girl. Red eye girl, red eye girl. You see the concept of the video? It's funny as heck. Because all along this girl's friend, her bestie, is actually watching her. Her bestie watch her, you know. The end of the video, what ends up happening? You see the car, right? The car is parked up, and you hear skirkit, 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 skirkit up a one hill in some dark place. So you know, so them in there, right? It turns out to be her best friend's man. And now she's questioning her best friend man about, you send roses come give me best friend. Why would you and my best friend? You send roses come give her.
It's
as if she thinks that she's taking away this man, or she has taken away this man from her best friend. When the truth of the matter is what? Because the brother said, what you talk about? Me not send the roses go give her. Didn't I send roses to you? And she's going, I didn't get any roses from you. And when she said, her friend realized that she has another man. Her friend has another man. Or maybe her friend just a friend man and make she sleep with them. So she's sleeping with a whole bunch of man and run up our numbers. It's deep. It could go one or two ways. People, watch the video and tell me what you think actually happened. Was it that her friend actually have a man that's secret that she don't know about? Because the friend already knows, say, you know why you're cool for be my friend. But me not think I'm going to let you know who my man is because you are asleep with them. Me bait you enough time already and you jump on the bait. So my real man, you will never get to meet. So she actually sees flowers come to the beauty salon and she's saying, I hear my send flowers? What? When it wasn't. She don't know who the flowers coming from. She's such a devious, dirty, counterfeit friend. She actually wants to know who the flowers is coming from because if our friend has a man, she has to be sleeping with him. But the fact that she'll get flowers from a man that she don't know, that her friend's getting flowers from a man that she, the dirty friend, doesn't know who the man is that's sending the flowers, it bothers her. So she confronts the man now that she thinks is sending the flowers, only to find out it's not him. So what does she do in the end? Our friend realized that what she is doing, she might have a man that she has not introduced her to. So she's asking about roses. And then she oh, look, go watch the video, man. Sleep with your friend, man, that's wrong. I'm gonna say a prayer for you. It may be the only reason to change. Character don't lie. I'm out. Peace.